Let's solve this problem with the 4 steps involved in problem solving. It says a truck rents for $200 per week plus 30 cents per mile. Find the rental cost for a 2-week trip of 500 miles. All right, here's the 4 steps involved in problem solving. Step 1 is to understand the problem, read it carefully, figure out exactly what you're looking for. It wants the rental cost for the whole trip. So the thing I like to do in step 1 is figure out what we're looking for. And we're looking for the total rental costs. That is what we're looking for. Step 2 is to plan out how you want to solve this thing. We know we have it for 2 weeks at $200 per week, so we can find the cost for those 2 weeks by taking $200 per week and multiplying it by 2 weeks. That would give us $400. And we can figure out the cost for the 500 miles. It's 30 cents per mile, so 30 cents per mile times 500 will give me the cost for 500 miles. So take 30 cents per mile, multiply it by the 500 miles, and that'll give me the cost for going 500 miles. 30 cents times 500, that's $150. All right, so you need to plan out some kind of attack, maybe write an equation. In this case, we just figured out the individual costs. Step 3 is to figure out the solution to the whole problem. You might have to go back to figuring out what the problem is asking for. This one's asking for the total rental cost. So the total rental cost is going to be the weekly charge plus the mileage charge. So the total rental cost is going to be this 400 plus 150. So that's going to be a total of $550. That'll be the solution. But then step 4 is you want to check it and see if it makes sense. We're renting a truck here, so if we get, say, a negative dollar amount, then something happens, something's wrong. Or if we get like a very big, large number, then that wouldn't make sense either. Like if it was like over $1,000 or something, something might be going wrong. Or if it was like $1 million, we know something was wrong. But $550 to rent a truck for 2 weeks sounds pretty reasonable. So you want to ask yourself, does the solution make sense? And in this case, yeah, it's probably okay.